Xiaomi surprisingly announced the Redmi Note 7 Pro yesterday at the launch event of Redmi Note 7 in Delhi. Let's take a look at both phones. Let's start with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. It comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a water drop style notch called a dot notch. The front and back of the phone are covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 to add more durability. The Redmi Note 7 Pro has a dual camera system on the rear side, including a 48 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary depth sensor. Xiaomi has added a number of AI features including AI scene detection, AI portrait 2.0 and a night mode, and a 13 megapixel front camera on the phone, as well as support for 4K video recording on the rear camera. The smartphone is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset and MIUI 10 based on Android Pie. It has also included 4000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4.0 support on the phone. It has also a fingerprint sensor on the rear side, a USB-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and a hybrid dual SIM support. It's available in 3 colors: Neptune Blue, Nebula Red, and Space Black. Xiaomi has priced the Redmi Note 7 Pro starting Rs 13,999 for the 4GB plus 64GB variant, and the 6GB plus 128GB will be offered at 16,999 rupees. Moving on to the Redmi Note 7, it has almost all the features of Redmi Note 7 Pro, but a few differences are there. Let me tell the differences. The Redmi Note 7 features a dual camera setup on the back, including a 12 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. It's running on Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor. It's also available in 3 colors: Onyx Black, Ruby Red, and Sapphire Blue. Coming up to the price, the Note 7 starting at 9,999 rupees for the 3GB plus 32GB version and 11,999 for the 4GB plus 64GB model. That's it guys, please like the video and share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.